Hello on this Thursday, September 10th, 2009. I'm Kristen Volk with the UPI White House Weekly. President Obama reignited his campaign to overhaul the U.S. healthcare system by addressing a joint session of Congress last night. In his 47-minute speech, Obama urged lawmakers to end their bickering while also offering his most detailed outline of his legislation. The president defended his proposal for a government-run public health plan as an option for consumers, but he called the provision one alternative to increasing competition for insurance and signaled his openness to other ideas. When he spoke about the issue of health care coverage for illegal immigrants, he was interrupted by Representative Joe Wilson of South Carolina, who shouted, "You lie." Members of both parties condemned the heckling, and Wilson later issued an apology for his outburst. And at the end of his address, Obama read a letter from the late Senator Edward Kennedy, who said providing health care to Americans is above all a moral issue. In the Republican response, Louisiana Representative and surgeon Charles Bustani criticized Obama for supporting a public insurance option and called for restarting the health care debate. And prior to addressing the nation about health care, Obama spoke to kids across the country as they headed back to school. On Tuesday, he delivered a speech to high school students in Arlington, Virginia, despite uproar over what he would say. Conservatives feared the address would be used to push a partisan political agenda, but Obama avoided any mention of political initiatives. Instead, he urged students to work hard and stay in school. That same day, he also hosted group discussions with Education Secretary Arne Duncan. Some school administrators opted not to show Obama's address, while others left the decision to individual teachers and parents. And the president paid tribute to the late Walter Cronkite this week. Cronkite anchored CBS's nightly newscast for nearly 20 years. He died in July. At his memorial service on Wednesday, Obama praised the broadcast legend and called on the media to live up to his example. His remarks came as he's been facing the sharpest media scrutiny yet of his young presidency. Obama was among other dignitaries attending the service, including former astronaut Buzz Aldrin and former President Bill Clinton. And that's all for now. Thanks for watching this UPI White House Weekly. We'll see you next week for another one.